Hi mga katariray, samahan niyo ako dito pa rin sa Bangkok, Thailand. At yes, pumasok nga kami sa isang shop kung saan tinatawag ng cannabis store. So, let me just explain. Cannabis is a generic term for preparation of the cannabis sativa plant. Commonly known as marijuana, weed, pod, or ganja, tawagin na lang natin siyang Mary Jane. Cannabis has been used for recreational and entheogenic purposes for centuries. It has also been used in traditional medicines. Cannabis is an internationally regulated drug with legality varying by country and even within regions. So as of this time, ang Mary Jane ay legal dito sa Thailand, which is however hindi sa ating bansa, which is yung Pinas. Kaya kami na curious at pumasok sa isang shop nito dito. Dito sa pinag-iisayan namin sa Bangkok, almost lahat ng kanto dito ay merong ganitong shop. So they use this or they include this into their drinks, sa paggawa ng cake, sa cookies, makikita mo yung na binibenta siya sa mga cannabis store dito sa Thailand. And also, ang pinaka-popular na gamit niya is through smoking. So we got curious, we went inside at napakabait naman ng store owner para papasukin kami at entertain kami. So nakita ko yung mga medicinal benefit nito dito sa katawan ng tao. So, this is also used for pain relief, anti-inflammatory, neurological benefits, mental health support, appetite stimulations, nausea and vomiting relief, sleep aid, muscle spasm relief, glaucoma treatment, research opportunities. So, marami siyang gamit. And also, kinukonsidered ang Mary Jane na nag-offer ng numerous benefit, though it's very crucial for patients to consult healthcare professionals before starting treatment. Okay, so the effects can vary based on individual factors, and there may be potential side effects or interactions with other medications. Additionally, laws regarding medicinal marijuana vary by region, and it is important na kailangan inform tayo sa mga localities, the regulations na meron ito sa bawat bansang pupuntahan natin. At eto nga mga katiriray, pakinggan natin yung sasabihin ng store owner about Mary Jane.
Only the effects is you will be happy and you will eat a lot. Aside from that, for sleep. Also, also for sleep. Yeah,
For sleep?
Yeah, because you will feel slow.
Oh. It's happy, energetic, creative.
But bro, do you smoke every day? Almost.
Not every day.
Not every day.
It's a little bit.
Na, this Thailand good legal na legal this one.
Yeah. But still not sure about growing. Yeah.
Actually good for the health.
Yeah, like a young kid. Yeah.
And take note, kahit legal siya dito sa Thailand, meron pa ring age restriction ang pagbili ng marijuana, age 18 and above. Yun lang naman. Thank you. Ciao, ciao!